everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the forward chaining or forward reasoning questions in the artificial intelligence and machine learning. If we see the theory part, this is a form of reasoning, that is forward chaining is a form of reasoning that starts with the atomic sentences. If you see here A, B like that, it will start with the atomic sentences in the knowledge base and applies the inference rules. So these full, in which left hand side is also there, right hand side is also there. Left hand side, right hand side. These all can be called as the inference rules. So inference rules in the forward direction. So it is called as forward chaining in the forward direction until it reaches the goal. Now it will move from bottom to top. From bottom we will be constructing until the top side. Now this is a data driven approach, because when you start from the atomic sentences, you will take the data here which is given in the inference rules, then only you will construct and then prove what they have given. So in the question they have said prove Q. So what we should prove? We must prove Q as true. So we must prove Q as true. So in this forward chaining we can tell that if premises are true, then you can tell the conclusions are also true. So what is this? If you see, we can tell the premises as the left hand side of the equations. Left hand side, if the left hand sides are true, then you can tell the right hand side, which are the conclusion. Right hand side as the true. If left hand side are true, right hand side will be true. So let's start constructing. They have said start from the atomic sentences. So atomic sentences are A and B. So we all know that the atomic sentences will always be true. Now if you add A and B, so A and B, so this represents AND. So A and B, search in the left hand side, that is in the premises. So A and B produces L. Since A and B are my atomic sentences and they are true and they are in the left hand side, so that we can tell that the premises is true. If premises is true, the right hand side, that is conclusion, will also be true. Now L. Now let's see the combination of A and L or B and L. So yes, here is a combination of B and L. So I will take from B and here I will take from L. So AND. Now you can write M here because B and L produces M. Since B is true and L is true, M will also be true. According to premises is true means conclusion will be true. Now I will search for combination of M and L. So M and L here, it produces P. So this is L and this is M. And so which produces P as the output. Since L is true and M is true, P will also be true. Now if you see P in the left hand side, Q is there. So from P I can go to Q. Since my P is true, Q will also be true. That is left hand side true means right hand side is true. So now we have proved Q is true. Since my atomic sentences were true, their combination will be true. So L and B's combination will be true. Since M and L are true, their combination will be true. Since P is true, Q will be true because of this equation. So now we proved Q as true using the bottom up approach of the forward chaining or forward reasoning method. So backward chaining or backward reasoning video link is given in description. You can access it. If you have any doubt regarding the forward chaining or reasoning, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related topics. Thank you.